Hello Sagittarius, welcome to my channel Reading Tarot. This is reading for the further messages in October. What will be further messages from universe towards you? So I have already shuffled card and spread them out. This will be a reading for your love life, and it can be any message. If I found in this reading, I will give you. Um, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. This will be a general reading. It may resonate you and may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. So start your reading. um, I'm seeing that in your underneath deck cards are King of Cup and King of Knight of Cups. So here I'm seeing that you are very much emotionally satisfied in your within yourself, or um, or maybe it's like that you are full of love for someone and you are showing your gesture of love toward this person. You are telling this person this time that you love this person, or maybe someone around you who love you, they are showing their love to you and they are practically coming toward you to tell you that this person wants you and they love you a lot. So this person is coming and offer you their cup of love, or maybe this time you are showing your cup of love to this person, or if it's not a love situation, it can be a general situation where you are very much emotionally satisfied and full of emotion, full of love, and you are showing your love to people around you, whether it's your family members, whether it's your friends, whether they are your spouses, whether they are your partner, love partner, whoever around you. You are very, very satisfied emotionally, and you are showing and you are showering your cup of love, your love to others, whether they are your spouse, partner, or whether they are your family members or friends. So this time you're emotionally very much satisfied and showing your emotions, like you are offering, you are showering your love to others also. So let's see what further cards for you here. Three of Pentacles, and you are not just only showing your cup of love, your emotions. You are emotionally mutually collaborating with them. You are involving with your friends and family and your partner. You are building your relationship on a good note, on a basis grounds, like you're building your grounds for your relationship, like, or it can be a work situation where you are mutually maybe you are collaborating with other people to build your work more, or maybe you are working on a new project in your workplace. So, or for this you need team, or maybe you are working on a teamwork. This project needs a teamwork, so you are working on teamwork. Or this time you are doing it on a very playful mood, so that environment around you is very much beautiful. So another card is Eight of Wands. So it's like that if someone is coming towards you, let me show other cards. Eight of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. So here I'm seeing that if it's you are collaborating with your people's friend, family, and loved one around you, you are supporting them not only emotionally, you are supporting them physically also. Like, if they need money, you are offering your money to them. If they need support, you are offering your support. If they need your they need you and your help in any way, so you are offering your help also. So this is a time where you are very much emotionally satisfied and mutually collaborating people around you, and things are moving quickly forward, and you are feeling energetic within you. So maybe you are communicating people a lot, if it's a situation, or maybe you are working hard this time to build your relationship on a different level. So this is giving you a fruit here. You are passionate new beginning are is happening in this month in your relationships. So if it's a work situation where you are on a teamwork to build new project or doing working on a new project, so here you are communicating a lot. If it's a workplace or if it's a business situation, maybe you are collaborating to other business partners to build your relationship on a further growth. So here you, if you have started something new in your work, so you have to do extra work for this. So you are doing overwork this time, or for this you need a lot of energy, or you need a lot of communication, or maybe to grow your business or work you are communicating a lot to your teamwork or your colleagues. So this is giving you a result where you are able to create a new work, or maybe this is giving starting giving you a result now. So if it's a work situation, if it's a love situation, you are working hard, or maybe the person, if it's a person from past is coming back towards you to build a relationship to with you again. So this person is coming toward you from far land, because it's a travel card here, or maybe you are traveling with your family, with or maybe your partner, you are traveling with your partner, or it's like that this person is coming towards you from a far away land, and they are coming back to build a relationship, and there will be a new passionate beginning with this person again, if it's a past person or if it's a new person. So Sagittarius, this was your reading. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.